आमच्या गावान आयज फर्स्ट डोस अबाव 45 तांकां डोस आयज दिवपाचे आमी ठरयले. पयलीं एकदां जाल्ले आसा, बरो प्रतिसाद आसा आनी जे लोक उरलेले आसा तेणे फुडें येवन तो डोस घेवचो आनी हे आमचे वॅक्सिनेशन ड्रायव्ह सक्सेसफूल करचे.
Second round of Tika Utsav for the Ukasayam Panchayat, Aldona. Now we have almost covered 35 beneficiaries who have come and who have taken the vaccine. There will be more coming later on, but for the first round, which was held, almost more than 150 have been covered. So maybe now they are less, and even people are going to the primary health center Aldona to take the vaccine. Now this is a Covishield vaccine we are giving for 45 age and above. Now we have seen that many are coming and asking us, I have diabetes, I have hypertension, can I take the vaccine? The answer is absolutely yes. Actually, this vaccine is more for those who are having comorbidities. They should not lose this opportunity, but they should come and they should take the vaccine, because we have seen those who are vaccinated, especially fully vaccinated, for them the chances of getting severe complications of COVID infection is much less.